The Azores, ever heard of them? 9 volcanic islands rising from the Atlantic, west of Portugal, smack dab in the middle of the ocean. This is Europe's secret Eden, untouched, unspoiled, and unbelievably beautiful. Forget the Eiffel Tower and the Colosseum. The Azores offer a different kind of European experience. Think lush landscapes, dramatic cliffs, and crater lakes shimmering like jewels. These islands are a breath of fresh air, literally. Clean air, clean water, and a slower pace of life. It's a place where cows outnumber people, and the only crowds you'll find are schools of fish. But don't let the tranquility fool you. The Azores are bursting with adventure. Hike through emerald forests, kayak with dolphins, or climb a volcano for breathtaking views. The Azores are a melting pot of Portuguese tradition and island charm. The people are warm, welcoming, and always ready to share their culture. And the food? Let's just say your taste buds are in for a treat. Fresh seafood, volcanic stews, and the sweetest pineapples you'll ever taste. So, are you ready to escape the tourist traps and discover a hidden paradise? Pack your bags, grab your hiking boots, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. The Azores are calling. The Azores are a geological wonder. Born from fire and sculpted by the sea, these islands are a testament to nature's raw power. Towering volcanoes, some dormant, some extinct, dominate the landscapes. Their slopes are carpeted in lush vegetation, a vibrant contrast to the dark volcanic rock. Crater lakes, known as lagoas, are scattered across the islands like turquoise mirrors reflecting the sky. These serene waters are perfect for a peaceful kayak ride or a picnic lunch with a view. Don't miss the Lagoa das Sete Cidades on São Miguel Island. Legend has it, a princess and a shepherd cried tears that formed these twin lakes. Hot springs bubble up from the earth, a reminder of the volcanic activity below. Take a dip in these therapeutic waters and feel your worries melt away. The Azores are a spa lover's paradise with natural thermal pools hidden in grottos and volcanic craters. And then there's Mount Pico, the highest peak in Portugal. This majestic volcano rises dramatically from the sea, challenging hikers to conquer its summit. The views from the top? Simply breathtaking. The Azores are a place where you can truly connect with nature's grandeur. The Azores are a hiker's dream come true. With hundreds of miles of trails crisscrossing the islands, there's a path for every level of adventurer. From leisurely walks along the coast to challenging climbs to volcanic peaks, you'll find your perfect route. Lace up your boots and follow ancient footpaths that wind through verdant forests. The air is thick with the scent of pine needles and wildflowers. Waterfalls cascade down moss-covered cliffs, creating a symphony of sound. The Azores are a feast for the senses. For panoramic views, hike to the rim of a volcanic crater or climb to the top of a coastal bluff. Look out over the vast Atlantic, where the blue horizon meets the sky. You might even spot whales breaching in the distance. Don't forget to pack a picnic lunch and enjoy a break surrounded by nature's beauty. The Azores are best experienced at a slow and deliberate pace. So slow down, take a deep breath, and soak it all in. The Azores are one of the best places in the world for whale watching. Why? Because these islands are located right in the middle of their migration routes. From massive sperm whales to playful dolphins, you're almost guaranteed to see these magnificent creatures up close. Hop on a whale-watching boat tour and feel the excitement build as you head out to sea. The experienced guides know exactly where to find the whales, and they'll provide fascinating information about these gentle giants. Keep your eyes peeled for telltale signs, a spout of water, a flash of a fin, or the massive tail of a sperm whale disappearing beneath the waves. But the underwater world of the Azores is not just about whales. Dolphins, turtles, and countless species of fish call these waters home. Put on a snorkel and mask or go for a scuba dive to explore this underwater paradise. Swim alongside colorful fish, marvel at the coral reefs, and feel the thrill of encountering a manta ray gliding gracefully through the water. The Azores offer a unique opportunity to connect with marine life in its natural habitat. It's a truly humbling and unforgettable experience. Just remember to be respectful and observe these creatures from a safe distance. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds. Azorean cuisine is a delicious fusion of Portuguese heritage and island bounty. Fresh seafood is the star of the show, caught daily and prepared with simple yet flavorful techniques. Think grilled octopus drizzled with olive oil, succulent prawns flambéed in garlic sauce, or a hearty fish stew simmered with tomatoes and onions. But there's more to Azorean cuisine than just seafood. The volcanic soil produces incredibly flavorful fruits and vegetables. Don't miss the opportunity to try the local pineapples. Grown in greenhouses heated by volcanic steam, they are said to be the sweetest in the world. Meat lovers will enjoy the traditional cozido das Furnas, a hearty stew cooked underground using volcanic heat. This unique cooking method infuses the meat with an earthy flavor that is simply divine. And for a taste of the island's dairy tradition, try the creamy cheeses, especially the queijo da ilha, a sharp and tangy cheese made from cow's milk. Wash it all down with a glass of locally produced wine. The volcanic soil gives the grapes a unique minerality, resulting in wines with a distinct character. Whether you prefer a crisp white or a full-bodied red, you're sure to find a wine to complement your meal. So come hungry and prepare to be amazed by the culinary delights of the Azores. The Azores are a place where tradition runs deep. Throughout the year, the islands come alive with festivals or festas, celebrating everything from patron saints to the bounty of the sea. These vibrant celebrations offer a glimpse into the heart and soul of Azorean culture. One of the most anticipated events is the Festas do Senhor Santo Cristo dos Milagres on São Miguel Island. This week-long religious festival features processions, concerts, and traditional bullfights. The streets are adorned with colorful flowers and lights, creating a festive atmosphere. For a taste of Azorean folklore, check out the cavalhadas on Terceira Island. This centuries-old tradition involves elaborate equestrian displays with riders dressed in colorful costumes performing intricate maneuvers on horseback. It's a spectacle that will transport you back in time. No matter when you visit the Azores, you're likely to stumble upon a local festival. Join the celebrations, dance to the music, and savor the delicious food and drink. These are the moments that will stay with you long after you've returned home. The warmth and hospitality of the Azorean people will make you feel like you're part of the family. Think paradise has to break the bank? Think again. The Azores offer an incredible value for travelers, especially compared to other European destinations. You'll find that your money goes a long way here. Accommodation options range from cozy guest houses to charming boutique hotels, with prices significantly lower than those in mainland Europe. Consider staying in a turismo rural, a converted farmhouse offering a taste of local life. Eating out in the Azores is also surprisingly affordable. Skip the fancy restaurants and head to local tascas or snack bars for delicious and inexpensive meals. Try the local specialties like lapas, limpets, caracua, snails, or sopa de peixe, fish soup, for a true taste of the islands without spending a fortune. Getting around the islands is easy and budget-friendly, with public transportation readily available. Rent a car for a few days if you want to explore at your own pace, but be aware that parking can be limited in some areas. Many of the best attractions in the Azores are free to enjoy, including hiking trails, volcanic landscapes, and scenic viewpoints. So, pack your sense of adventure and get ready to experience the Azores without emptying your wallet. The Azores beckon year-round, each season painting a different masterpiece on the island's canvas. When to visit depends on your priorities, be it chasing sunshine, embracing cozy vibes, or reeling in adventure. Summer from June to August is peak season, drawing sunseekers and festival goers. The weather is at its warmest, ideal for swimming, sunbathing, and outdoor activities. However, expect higher prices and more crowds during these months. Spring and fall offer a sweet spot, pleasant temperatures, fewer crowds, and landscapes bursting with wildflowers. Hikers and nature enthusiasts will relish these months while whale watching remains excellent. Winter, from November to March, brings a different kind of magic. The islands are quieter, the air is crisp, and the dramatic landscapes take on a moody beauty. This is the time to cozy up by a fireplace, soak in hot springs, and enjoy the off-season tranquility. Just be prepared for some rain and cooler temperatures. No matter when you choose to answer the call of the Azores, you're in for an unforgettable experience. Reaching the Azores is simpler than you might think, with direct flights from major European and North American cities. Once you've landed, island hopping is a breeze, thanks to regular flights and ferries connecting the archipelago. For a flexible and scenic adventure, consider renting a car. The roads are well maintained and the driving is generally safe and straightforward. However, be prepared for winding roads and some steep inclines, especially in the more mountainous areas. Public transportation is a reliable and cost-effective option for getting around the islands. Buses connect major towns and cities, while taxis are readily available for shorter trips. In larger towns like Ponta Delgada on São Miguel Island, you can even find local buses and taxis. For those seeking a unique way to explore, consider hopping on a ferry. These scenic journeys offer stunning views of the coastline and the opportunity to spot dolphins and whales along the way. No matter your preferred mode of transport, getting around the Azores is easy and enjoyable. The Azores are a pristine paradise, and it's our responsibility as travelers to keep them that way. By embracing sustainable travel practices, we can minimize our impact and preserve the island's natural beauty for generations to come. Choose eco-friendly accommodations that prioritize sustainability. Look for hotels and guest houses that use renewable energy, conserve water, and promote recycling programs. Support local businesses and restaurants that source their ingredients locally, reducing the carbon footprint of your meals. When exploring the great outdoors, stick to marked trails and dispose of your trash responsibly. Avoid disturbing wildlife and refrain from picking flowers or plants. Bring a reusable water bottle and refill it with tap water, which is safe to drink in the Azores. By making conscious choices and respecting the environment, we can all contribute to preserving the Azores' natural splendor. Let's leave these islands even more beautiful than we found them. The Azores, where volcanic landscapes meet the vast Atlantic, where adventure awaits around every corner, and where a warm welcome greets you at every turn. These islands offer a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and outdoor thrills that will captivate your senses and leave you longing to return. Whether you're an avid hiker, a wildlife enthusiast, a foodie seeking new flavors, or simply looking to escape the ordinary, the Azores have something for everyone, so what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure, and discover the magic of the Azores for yourself.